Hi, have you ever had a spiritually transformative experience? It's called an STE, not to be confused with an NDE, which is a near-death experience. You don't have to die when you have an STE, but your consciousness is transformed forever once it happens. That's why I put together my course, the Mega Manifestation Method, which you can find on my website, RebeccaTripp.com. And I put the best insights and teachings that I could come up with to help you understand and have your own STE, which is very, very empowering. Once you have one, you're never the same. It can do some pretty amazing things. Everyone's different in how they experience the journey called life and the lessons we're learning. But my big lesson in this life, one of them was to realize that I had the power within me working with the divine consciousness to heal myself. I didn't have to be a victim, like maybe I was in a past life where I was relying on medical procedures to come along to save me, and it didn't work. So I set myself up in this life to really figure out how self-healing, spiritual healing works. And it does work. And you can be transformed in an instant once you learn how to shift your thought into that level of consciousness that Jesus lived in when he was out teaching. And he told us, you can do the same things too, and even more. And it's the Father within me that doeth these things, meaning it's the Father within you, the God within you, that can do these things. So it's hidden, but it's in plain sight. That's the amazing thing. You don't see it until you're ready to see it. That's why I did the course, the Mega Manifestation Method. I touch on the different areas in life that we have to work on: abundance, relationships, physical healing, our health, our happiness. Because once you find the peace that passeth understanding, you have that inner peace because you know that you're connected to the divine. You don't worry anymore. In fact, it gets really kind of interesting and fun to just watch the world and the movie that's playing out. But you can have an impact on it by raising your consciousness and nothingizing things that show up that are very negative or distasteful. You don't have to let them overpower you or overcome you. You can stand up to them, and evil is nothing when it's faced with good. You learn how to do that when you learn to be more metaphysically attuned. There's all sorts of benefits from being a metaphysically oriented person. So that's why I did the course. And if you want to learn more, just go to RebeccaTripp.com. That's why I wrote my book, Secrets of a Metaphysical Flight Attendant. You'll find that there too. I'd love to send you a signed copy. And if you have any questions, you can always contact me.